Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And it's p.louise Day! Now we're green because it's almost St. Patrick's Day, but it's p.louise Day.
p.louise Day.
So this is the February box. It comes in March. It is Easter themed.
I know, I saw the spoilers.
You guys.
That's so cute.
And you can always skip a month. If you see the spoilers for that month and you don't want to get that month, you can if you hit it before they ship.
Yeah.
They will still charge you for, well, if you hit it before they charge your account and hit suspend, they won't charge you for that month. But then you have to reactivate it for the next one. But we were not about to skip.
Non-Easter themed cute bunnies. I mean, it says somebody loves you. I mean, how cute.
And look at the back of the box.
Look at them.
Now, our box came kind of smushed.
Yeah, it came in a bag and it had a little bit of a rough shipping life, but her packaging is amazing. So it's been, you know, the stuff inside is protected.
We're very excited. And the one that is the March box that we'll get in April, also as extraordinary, we think. We'll find out when we get it because we're totally getting that one too.
Yes.
Okay.
We get most of them.
Yeah, there's a few that we skip. The last one I think we skipped was one that was all glitter products and we didn't need any more glitter products. Inside, you'll find some special treats, a touch of love, and a trace of sweet. Oh.
Her creativity team is amazing.
And they've been customizing these boxes for these themed boxes to fit the exact products.
I know, isn't that amazing?
Love. Okay.
I can't wait. Okay, let's do the littlest one first. It's called Hop Drops.
What is it?
It's adorable.
Well, besides adorable,
I don't know.
this is, oh, a bronzer. These are bronzing drops, which honestly, okay, if you guys are bronzing drops users, please comment below and tell me how you use it. Are you supposed to mix it with makeup? Are you supposed to use it by itself? I honestly have never figured it out.
How cute that is.
But how cute is that? It looks like a little egg. And I got these bronzing drops, and I also just got Junk Elephant bronzing drops in a FabFitFun box. So I've got them out the wazoo, and I don't know how to use them.
And it looked like a little egg.
But this is super cute.
So we're not going to open it, but it twists open.
It's very cute.
It's adorable.
Until I figure out how to use it and figure out if I'm going to use it, we're going to leave it closed.
Okay.
I'm going to show you the next one. Oh my gosh, bunny kisses.
Adorable. Adorable.
This is too cute to kiss and tell nude lip oil set. Oh my gosh.
They're adorable. These are all ours.
Oh, how cute.
We'll pull them out.
We love these. We've got like 20 of them, not even joking.
How cute.
But how beautiful are these shades?
Look at the crown, and it's just, oh.
These are the Stay Shiny.
And I forget which
oils.
fragrances they are.
Let me see if it says on the back.
One's like
We
chocolate
have pink marshmallow, strawberry shortcake, and chocolate covered strawberries. So I'm going to guess this one's pink marshmallow.
This is chocolate.
Let me see if it says on the bottom. This one's strawberry shortcake, and this one's obviously chocolate covered strawberry.
Oh my gosh.
So that means they're going to smell amazing. Oh, that smells nice.
Oh, yep. That's nice.
Okay.
And I like that it's clear and we can see what's in it, or the others have been colored, but that looks like this all the way down. So now you can see the colors, and it's glass.
Very cool. But wait, there's more.
The big products. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Oh, it's huge.
So y'all see.
I didn't realize it was going to be so big.
Is this not
It came with a giant palette.
absolutely adorable?
Now
Look
this,
at the bunnies.
Is this a palette for eye and face, or what is this palette
So
for?
this is Somebody Loves You.
Palette for your face.
Palette for face. And this is just the outside box with a picture of the actual packaging. So now here's the...
It says, babe, prepare to make your heart hop.
Look at this, people.
Oh, it's so cute.
Let's open it up.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, man. This is eyes, not just face.
Okay, so I'll show it.
I would definitely use this for eyeshadow.
So this is eye and face palette. Look at the yellows, the pinks, the purples, the neutrals. I mean, and then you have your brushes
and
an eye base. I mean,
so I mean, I guess your eyes are on your face, but usually they say eye and face palette, but this one just says face palette.
I mean, how absolutely incredible is this? And these shades are stunning. And it looks like there's creams on this side.
Let me see these brushes. These are the tiniest brushes you've ever done. They're so cute. Hold on. Look how cute. Tiny little mini brushes. Oh my word.
They're adorable.
They might be too small to be useful, but they're cute. Okay.
And this side is creams. Look, they're creams on this side. Cream shadows, so that means you could use them for lipstick or blushes or highlighters because these are all cream here. So you can use them.
And I would definitely use some of those for lipsticks.
Yeah, so you can use it for anything. And then this side is all powders, matte, and shimmers.
This is one of the prettier palettes that she's put out.
I love these yellows, the soft yellows, and I love that I can do
and you can
highlights, bronze, blush, or eyeshadow with the
It's so versatile.
Creams, and I'm trying to get the little
little lid thing for the brush cover doesn't want to go back in.
Now I got it. So now you can see these beautiful creams up here that you can have so many uses for. I mean, hundreds of uses.
And this, their subscription.
And there's even a navy shade in here next to the maroon. Oh, people.
The budget box, this is the monthly budget box for p.louise, which I'm sorry, I didn't know. I got so excited to dig into it. I didn't give you the details. It is, we get ours from p.louise USA versus the US, the p.louise UK site, because the UK site, if you live in the US or anywhere because when the US
tariffs,
if you live in the US, you're going to be paying the tariff and duties now, which made it like $75 a month, which was outrageous for us to pay, even though the box itself was only $39. So now we pay like $46 for the box, but only like $12 shipping. So it's still like $52, $53 a month, which is basically what we were paying before, but we get it from the USA instead of from the UK. So I think what the UK does is they ship crates of it to the US, and then we get it from the US, so we don't have to pay the tariffs.
And I mean, the creativity, they even
inside the boxes, even
put bunnies on the lid. I mean, her creativity, her team is absolutely
out of this world,
notch, amazing.
I just don't understand how they keep coming up with new ideas.
I know, it's mind-boggling.
It's crazy,
their amount of creativity that they have, and I love p.louise always and forever.
And you can go on the website now and see what the March box. If you sign up in March, the box that you will get will be the one that you see.
Amazing stuff. I can't wait for it.
I am excited for it myself. So wait till next month. I'm sure you'll probably catch spoilers of it if you check out the p.louise before then, but you'll get to see our box in a month or so.
Yes.
So very cool. If you did like this video, hit like. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on future videos, you can hit notifications. We love all you guys' comments and all your feedback. Thank you for your support we've been doing videos for almost 2 years now, and it's been kind of an up and down road with consistency just because life gets busy.
Life does.
And last month, I didn't realize I didn't get my FabFitFun box. I went like 3 weeks with nothing coming in to do a video on, and I'm like, I was so busy, it didn't occur to me that I was missing things. And if you saw my FabFitFun video, it just was late because of me. It was my fault. But we're getting it back in track and doing the best we can. But we appreciate you guys for sticking with us and all the support you guys provide.
Yes, thank you.
And we hope you have a great rest of your day.
Bye.